Yeah, it's a real tricky one, and we've actually just had a young construction project manager that's wanting to get into the pathway for BIM come and ask us exactly how do we do that. And as we know, we've got architectural pathways, parts 1, parts 2. You can see that progression, even with salaries, with education and perhaps degrees. When you're going into BIM, we don't really have that at the moment. So we need to establish these digital stepping stones, perhaps, in terms of how can you progress your career. One of the things we were talking about just then on the stage is, are really industries, our organisations recognising how we can progress in this digital arena? If I take myself, for example, I was architectural to start with, and then I sort of fell into BIM somehow. I'm not quite sure where it happened. We talk about going over to the dark side is something that happens, and there's no real proper stepping stones to get there. If you was to go into industry with all of this knowledge, all of this software implementation, one of the things we talked about is actually, do some of the organisations have a fear with that? We've perhaps got someone that's been in there 30, 40 years, and they're going to have a bit of an issue with this young kid coming in and they've known how to digitise this process really quickly and really efficiently. So yeah, we have to do something as an industry to perhaps create a pathway for BIM professionals or BIM designers. Yeah, so you've got to have the presence, haven't you, coming to events. When you come here, you will network with like-minded individuals. You're going to be wanting to read blogs, articles. Building Digital, perfect place for that. And can you meet some of these people that are creating some of these innovative industries, some of these innovative companies? We've just seen an event such as the Building Innovation Awards, and they're really great for showcasing maybe new technologies, new startups, and perhaps these young people coming into industry, we want to see them creating them. We want to see them picking up awards in the future. But it really is about surrounding yourself with, good people, having the knowledge, guidance, training through companies such as ourselves at BRE, and also you want to get that practical experience. So can you approach companies, can you look at maybe apprenticeships type of thing at those early level entries?